Hello guys, this is Rising Bull. Welcome to today's video. So on today's video we'll be discussing about a chart pattern which has very high potential of giving high up moves and very good percentage of returns. So it is a flag pattern. So let's assume the stock is on an up move. It makes a consolidation, right? And then it makes a larger move up. So this consolidation will form a kind of like a flag pattern, as you know. Okay, so this flag pattern is very useful. This may trigger a larger up move and give you larger returns. These kind of patterns you can find very nicely in trending stocks which is on a continuous uptrend. Alright, so this end of this flag can be any pattern. It doesn't have to be just a channel. It can be a triangle, it can be a descending wedge, it can be a flat can be a flat channel also, can be either of this. Can be a symmetrical triangle, a descending triangle, an ascending triangle, anything. I'll discuss triangles in the upcoming videos, so please do keep the bell notification on for more future video updates. Okay, so I'm giving you suggestions of this flag patterns on recent trending stocks, which means they have shown breakout right now of the flag pattern. Okay, so it's better way of me explaining it this way so that you can time your entries very well. You learn well this way. That's why I'm explaining it on recent stocks. Another thing is, these are not stock recommendations. Alright, please do your own analysis before you take entry in such stocks. Before you take entry in these stocks, please do your analysis. So let's jump into a discussion of the stocks. Okay, so the first stock we are going to discuss about is Dalmia Bharat. Look at this stock. This is in a weekly time frame. It has formed a huge up move. It's making a huge up move and it is consolidating. Okay, at the end of the consolidation, it's formed a downward triangle kind of pattern. I'll discuss triangles in the future upcoming videos. Okay, these triangle patterns, how to take entry or exit, I'll discuss it in the upcoming videos. Alright, so if you go down to a daily time frame, you can see the pattern clearly. So look, it is at a key level. It has taken 1, 2, 3 resistances and support also 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is one confirmation. It is at a key level. That's another confirmation. It has broken out of that upper trend line. It has broken out of the upper trend line, and look, there's another thing forming. I'll discuss this as well in the upcoming videos. It's forming a triple bottom. Okay, look, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3 bottoms. So triple bottom for a larger up move. Triple bottom means if it breaks the neckline, it will make a larger up move. Okay, so right now it hasn't broken the neckline, but it has broken the trend line. So actually you can take entry right after this breakout of this candle. Okay, and you can wait for the stock to make an up move. Alright, or safe traders, you can wait for the breakout of this minor level, which is the neckline of this triple bottom. You can wait for the breakout of this minor level and take entry over here. Keep your stop loss below the recent low and let your stock run. Okay, so this is one stock. Let me discuss the next one. So the next one is Bata India. So as you can see, this stock also right now, it's a trending stock. It has been on an up move. It consolidated and corrected during the corona crash, and it has been on an up move since then. So right now it has formed a pole and a flag. See, a huge up move, and then it is consolidating. Okay, so if you go down to a daily, you can see a daily, the previous candle, right? Previous day's candle, that is 6th January. 6th January, not, okay. 6th January, it has formed a bullish engulfing. Okay, so it is a really good bullish momentum which has shown. Second thing, it is at the previous day high. If you go to the weekly, it's at the previous high which has formed. Okay, previous all-time high, and has come back to that level. And right now it is forming a kind of a descending wedge. It has 3 resistances and 3 supports. It's found a bullish pattern. You can go down to a lower. It has broken out as well. Ideally you should have entered on Friday, but still it hasn't moved much, so you can enter on Monday as well. If we go down to a lower time frame, you can see that, let's go to a 4 hour. See that there's a minor level over here, right? This gray box. So this is a minor level. You can wait. Safe traders can wait for the breakout of this level. After breakout, you can keep it below the recent swing low and then let your trade run. Okay. The exits of this, right, it depends. Since these patterns are flag patterns, these patterns have very high potential of breaking the previous resistances and going out. So you must time your exits based on the candles. For example, let me see if I can find some. You can time your exits based on candles. I don't see any exit. So you can trail a stop loss also. Look, so this is not a breakout of a flag, but so below this level you can trail. So if the stock breaks below this level, you can exit. As such, you can do. Or you can do based on candles, which is a bearish engulfing. So if it shows a bearish engulfing, then you can exit. For example, if you are entered your trade here on the break of the all-time high on this resistance, this is just an example, okay? I'm not telling you that you should enter like this. You saw this big red candle, right? It's engulfing. It has broken down through all the resistances on this minor level. You can exit the next day 14%, like that. Time your exits based on candles. See, there is a bearish engulfing which has triggered a larger downtrend. So you could have, if you would have entered here, you would have exited here as such. Time your exits based on candlesticks as well when you are using flag patterns. Or if the correction is pretty huge like this one, you can enter here and exit close to the next resistance level. You can do that as well. But the thing is, such patterns might give very large moves. Just ride the trend. Keep your winners on the run. Okay. Only then you can make money in the market. So if you let your winners run, this might go even higher. If you wait, if you're patient enough and wait, this stock might give you a larger returns. Same for Dalmia Bharat. It has come, it is a trending stock, it is going up. It can give you even higher returns compared to this resistance that you stop here. I can give you even higher returns. Or another option for you guys is, you can do this. You can exit 80% of the stock here and let your 20% run. So it's a small quantity, right, which you're letting it run. You can still get profits on that particular quantity. You can do that as well. It's totally up to you. In this pattern, the exit depends upon you. You cannot accurately get this exit. So suppose you mark this level, take entry here and get the exit here, right? You got 20%. That is really good. But what if the stock consolidates a bit further, makes another flag and moves even further? You'll feel disappointed that you didn't catch the move, right? You exited early. So you must be patient and wait till the stock gives you an exit. For example, here look, bearish engulfing, a bearish engulfing over here. So such things, bearish engulfing like that. So make sure. Or it might form a double top. The stock might go, go like this. It might form a double top like this. This neckline will be your exit. This neckline will be your exit. So if the stock breaks below this level, you exit the stock. You can get confirmations like that as well. Let your stocks run to the maximum, okay? For such trending stocks, if you are picking up such trending stocks which is going on an up move, let your stocks run. It will prove fruitful for you. You'll get the benefit of it, okay? So the next stock is, we have discussed two, Dalmia Bharat and Bata India. The next stock is JSW Steel. Look at this stock. It is broken out. It is on a run. It has formed a flag, a clear flag, straight pole, okay? It's forming a flag. So on the daily time frame, so this stock is showing bearishness. It has broken out, but it is showing a bit of bearishness. There is a minor level. Safe traders can trade above that level, can take entry above this level and let the stock run. And there's a level of minor level of resistance over here. You must see how price reacts to this level as well. If there's a big reaction, you can exit on this level, okay? Or traders who are willing to take the risk, you can take entry here and exit here. If we go down to a lower time frame, you'll see another pattern, which is a perfect entry. Some people may not be able to be tracing these stocks on intraday, right? So look at this, it's forming another pattern, a disoriented channel, disjoint channel, I believe that's what you call it. Yeah, a disjoint channel. Yeah, a disjoint channel. So it's forming a disjoint channel. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 resistances. So you can enter on the break of this. This might be the trigger of this big pattern's up move. So it has 1 2 3 4 resistances, right? So it might be this channel, that smaller channel might be the trigger for this bigger pattern's up move. Okay, so you can enter on the break of that thing and keep your stop loss very low. Your stop loss will be very minimal if you're trading based on this pattern. You can keep your stop loss. You can take levels over here. Just a sec. Look at this level, right? See, it has proved as a support and resistance in the past also. So you can trade with a minimal stop loss on the break of this pattern if you're taking it. Just 1.8 or 2% stop loss, that is very less. Okay, and your return will be very high even if you are taking it up to this resistance level. Even if you are not letting the trade run longer, just up to this resistance, there is a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, then this is one stock, and one more stock. This is IPCL Lab. So on the weekly time frame, it is on the uptrend, a strong uptrend. It's consolidating right now. The thing is, the stock has come back to a prime level on the daily. You can see it on the weekly also. So it has gone up, taken support, taken multiple resistances below this level, gone up, taken support, come back to this level again, and it has broken out. Ideally the entry should have been here on this green candle or after this green candle, and you have to let your stock run, but we have missed this. The stock is giving a chance for another entry in the lower time frame. Look at this, it has formed a flag. You can see right on the daily, it's clearly shown. It's a large move and it is showing a consolidation in the form of a flag. In the 15 minute, if you go down, you can see a pattern, and again a disjoint channel. So it is, you can wait for the breakout of this pattern, or you can dial down. Look at this, in the 5 minute also it is showing a consolidation, a disjoint flag pattern again in the 5 minute. So I would suggest to wait for the 15 minute break, right? Break of this major channel pattern on the 15 minute. You can enter on the break of this and let your stop loss below the new swing level. This stop loss also is going to be very low. It will be a minimal stop loss, a safe trade. Okay guys, please do your analysis, do your own analysis before you take entry in these stocks. Okay, this is just a suggestion. I'm just telling you how to trade these patterns as well in the real market, and I'm sharing breakout stocks so you'll know how to analyze these stocks for these patterns on the stocks when they have come to that particular price point. Okay, I would like to share another stock as well, but this is a bit risky because it doesn't show multiple. There is also a similar stock which has which is at a key level, right? It is at a key level, and it has triggered an up move and it has come back to that key level. It is not exactly a flag because it's come back down a lot. So daily, the daily time frame, you can see there's two resistances. Ideally you shouldn't trade this, only trade on sure confirmation. Okay, the major thing why I selected the stock is because it is at a key level, a very good key level, which has taken 1 2 3 resistances, it's gone up and it has come back to that level for the first time. Tried to break below and it took support from the below minor level and it has broken up. All right, so the stock is not showing good bullish momentum. It is not showing bullish momentum much. It is very minimal. It has shown a good green candle here, but it's again a lot of doji candles. So trade safe on this. You can trade, you can take an entry above the breakout of this range. It's consolidating a lot, right? You can take entry if the stock breaks out of this range with good momentum. All right, it shouldn't just be multiple doji candles. Some stocks might move like that, it will move slowly, but just take it based on good if there's a a very good green candle, right? A very good green candle like this with wicks as well, it's fine. Then you can take entry below the recent low and you can take entry and let the stock run. All right. So this is a very good pattern to take entries in. The flag pattern will give you very good momentum, and especially these patterns, right, they happen on trending stock. You can spot them on the weekly. So look, the stock is just going up and up and up. See, you can find multiple entries in the past as well. See, a consolidation over here, it's a channel over here, it has broken up, it has triggered a larger up move. You can exit on this bearish candle engulfing, same like that. See, it has gone up, consolidated and gone up further. Multiple entries you'll find in such up moving stocks. Just catch that flag pattern and make sure you take the right entry, and make sure you track these stocks every day, so that if you see some kind of bearishness in the stock, get out of it. Okay, book your profits and get out of it. So this is all I wanted to discuss. I'll be discussing more chart patterns like this in the future upcoming videos. Whenever I find the patterns, right, and on the breakout stocks, that would be the best way to explain, right? Otherwise you won't know when to enter. Look at this. This is a combination of two, right? The Dalmia Bharat, a triple bottom and the flag pattern entry, a trend line break, multiple confirmations. It's a key level as well. So if I find patterns like this, then I'll teach them. So there is more to discuss, the triangle patterns as well and disjoint channels. So I'll discuss those in the upcoming videos. Okay guys, please do like, share and subscribe these videos, and turn on the bell notification so that you will be updated for future upcoming videos as well. I'll be sharing breakout stocks whenever I find the stock. I'll post them on YouTube. There won't be a particular time. Based on my analysis, I'll just post them if I find a good potential stock. I have shared previous ones, right? So similar to that, I'll keep sharing. Some might be very small videos. It might be just be one stock. So please do turn on the bell notification if you want to be updated on such potential breakouts. Okay, thank you guys.